Thank you for joining us. It's an honor and a privilege to have you watch our video. Stop looking for jobs, build your own business. I spent 9 months applying for jobs at 62. I got 0 offers. Then I stopped looking and started building. Best decision ever. If you're 55 or older and looking for work, you know the feeling. You submit resumes. Crickets. You go to interviews. You're overqualified. Translation, you're too old. My name is Mark, and at 63, I stopped looking for jobs and started building my own business instead. In this video, I'm showing you why that was the smartest thing I ever did and how you can do the same. Let me tell you what happened to me. I got laid off at 62, and after 24 years of working in IT, here's your severance. So I did what you're supposed to do. I updated my resume, I updated LinkedIn, I started applying. Week 1, 0 responses. Week 2, rejected. Week 3, still nothing. I applied for positions below my skill level. You're overqualified. That's code for you're too old and we're afraid you'll leave when something better comes up. Here's what nobody says out loud. After 55, the job market does not want you. Oh, they can't legally say that, but they show it in 100 subtle ways. You're overqualified. We're looking for someone with more recent experience. We're going in a different direction. And even if you do get the job, what are you getting? A boss half your age who doesn't respect your experience, a salary cap on position, not performance, a schedule that controls your life, 0 job security. Remember, you just got laid off. That's what the job market offers to people like us. So I made a different choice. Instead of looking for another job, I started building my own business. And here's why that was smarter. Reason 1, there's no age discrimination. In your own business, your age is an advantage, not a liability. People respect someone in their 50s, 60s, 70s who's building something. You have credibility younger people do not have. Reason 2, unlimited income. With a job, your salary is capped, but business income is not limited. Reason 3, your schedule. With a job, they're going to tell you when to work and when to go to home. Home business, you choose your own hours. I work mornings. In the afternoons, I can work or I can go play with the grandkids. It's my choice. Reason 4, you can't get fired. With a job, they can lay you off at any time. But with a business, it's yours. Nobody can take it away from you. Reason 5, you're building an asset. With a job, when you stop working, the income stops. With a business, you're building residual income that continues even when you're not actively working. Here's my exact story. A friend met me for breakfast. Just look, what do you have to lose? He said. So I looked. It was network marketing, a 20-year-old company, patented, exclusive technology. Nobody else has it. Low startup cost. I thought about it. And then I realized, what do I actually have to lose? Well, what do I have to lose? Job hunting wasn't working. And even if I got a job, I'd be back to being controlled by somebody else. So, hey, I started the business. The first 90 days, it was awkward. I didn't know what I was doing, but I followed the system. I reached out to people. I shared the opportunity. Momentum was just beginning. I enrolled my first team member and then another. I'm building an asset that will pay me for years to come. If you're 55 plus and tired of job hunting, here's what to do. Step one, look for the right business model. Look, not all businesses are equal. Look for something with a low startup cost. This is under $2,000. In fact, the $2,000 is the max you could spend starting it. A proven company with 10 years experience or more. This one has 20. Real products that people need. Our products are wellness products that change lives. I haven't seen anything out on the market that has the results that this has. So check it out. Training and support systems. Step three, start part-time. If you need income immediately, hey, take a temporary job while building the business, but don't give up on the business ownership. Step four, commit to 24 months. This isn't instant. Give it 24 months of consistent effort. Step five, follow the system. Look, don't reinvent the wheel. If there's a proven system, follow it. If you're tired of job hunting and ready to build your own business, click the link below and set up a one-on-one with me. It's free to you, and we can talk about your goals and plans. Job hunting after 55 is frustrating. Age discrimination is real, but there's another option. Build your own business. At 63, I stopped looking for jobs and started building. Best decision I ever made. Your business is waiting. Type billionaire in the comment below because you want to build wealth. Follow the link below and schedule a one-on-one with me. We can talk about your goals, and there's no charge for the one-on-one. Hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss one of our videos. We empower health, wealth, and relationships. Stop looking for jobs. Build your own business.